Man, I wish I was a dog.
Hey, you!
Huh?
You!
Who?
You!
Me?
Nah, the farmer across the street. Yeah, you!
Well, you didn't have to put it like that. Hopefully you'll get run over by this car that's coming now.
Well, what?
Oh no, you thought I was kidding. There's a car right there.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh well, oh god. You wanna be a dog?
You stalking me?
No, I just, I just, you wanna be a dog, man?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to show you how to be one.
Woo.
To be a dog, the first lesson is to walk on all fours, like
this?
so.
Like this?
What? Yeah, exactly. That's not walking on all fours, my friend. The second lesson in being a dog is to scratch your face and chew your butt.
Oh, it tastes terrible. Ah.
Step 3. You must learn to pee on anything. Four. Learn to growl at other dogs. Step 5. You must learn to pant.
No!
Notice how you're supposed to be scared for your life if a dog is supposed to come and maul your face off.
Ow, he bit me!
If a dog bits you, then that means it's a carnivore. Notice how you have to run away on all fours. Step 6. You must learn to roll over. Come on, boy. Lay down, boy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Yeah, that's right. You boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. All right, roll over, boy. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Come on, boy. Roll over. Roll over, boy. Roll over. Pay no mind to the dog trying to murder. Pay no mind to the dog. Pay no mind to the dog trying to murder you.
Get off! Oh. I roll up. Yeah.
Come here, boy. Come here. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Oh my god!
Let's just do this last step.
Oh my gosh! It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a normal dog. Thank God. Oh, thank God.
What's the last step?
Whew. Hold on, man. Whew.
Now.
And if you follow all these steps, you should look like. Can you pause it? That dog right there.